Okay, what letter is this?
L.
What letter is this?
C. C is Sippy.
What's this letter? What's this letter?
O.
What sound does it make?
R.
What's this letter?
C.
What letter? Okay. What's this letter?
B.
What sound does it make?
B.
What's this letter?
C.
Very good.
Birthday cake.
Yeah. What's this letter?
Apple.
What's this letter?
E.
Okay, what's this letter?
Sound.
What's this letter?
S.
What sound does it make? Okay.
Now let's take this sound.
Okay, what's this letter?
Say.
Okay, here's a really hard one. What letter is that? Oops. What letter is that?
Q.
Q.
Q says quick.
Yeah, that's right.
Avoid clean.
What's this letter?
H.
What's this letter?
D. Baby.
What's this letter?
K.
What is it?
K.
K. What's this letter?
F.
What sound does it make? That's right.
6.
What's this letter?
P.
And whose name starts with P?
Penguin.
Penguin, that's right. What's this?
U.
What sound does that make? What letter is this?
Umbrella. W.
It's a whale. What's this letter?
Let's go. What?
What's that letter?
That's W too.
Well, turn it the other way. What letter is it?
W. M. That is it. M.
What's this letter? What's this letter? Look. What's this letter?